In Forex trading, a lot is a standardized unit size used for measuring the volume of a trade. The value of a pip, percentage and point, is determined by the size of the lot traded. A standard lot is the largest size of a trade and consists of 100,000 units of the base currency. A mini lot is 1/10 the size of a standard lot, or 10,000 units of the base currency. A micro lot is 1/10 the size of a mini lot, or 1,000 units of the base currency. A nano lot is 1/10 the size of a micro lot, or 100 units of the base currency. Then, on the other hand, a pip is 1/10,000th of the quoted price. So, if the bid price is 1.08795, the 9 represent the units of the pips. But, in fact, you can count 10,879.5 pips in total. If the entry of a trade is at 1.08795 and the exit at 1.08885, there is a profit of 9 pips. A pip has a different value according to the size of the lot. The formula is the following. For a standard lot, multiply 100,000 by 0.0001 and you get $10 for a pip. So, 1 pip in a standard lot is equal to $10. So, if the euro to US dollar currency pair moves by 1 pip in a trader's favor, they would earn $10. And if it moves against them, they would lose $10. 1 pip in a mini lot is worth $1. Then, 1 pip in a micro lot is worth 10 cents. And, finally, 1 pip in a nano lot is worth 1 cent. Now, let's see a few examples. Let's say a trader decides to buy 1 standard lot of euro to US dollar at a bid price of 1.2000. If the price moves up to 1.2010, this would be a 10 pips movement. The trader would earn $100 from this trade. 100 comes from the lot size multiplied by the fraction corresponding to a pip and multiplied by 10 pips, 100,000 times 0.0001 times 10. On the other hand, if the price moves down to 1.1990, the trader would lose $100. Now, if the same trader decides to buy 1 mini lot, he would earn $10 from this trade. Here you can find the details. If the trader decides to buy 1 micro lot of euro to US dollar instead, he would earn $1 from this trade. The details are here. Finally, if he decides to buy 1 nano lot, the profit would be 10 cents from this trade. In summary, the size of the lot traded in Forex has a significant impact on the value of a pip. Traders can choose to trade in standard lots, mini lots, micro lots, or nano lots depending on their risk tolerance and available capital. Thanks for watching.